Hello and welcome to the Sim Data Calculator. So I'll jump right into it. You'll notice that there's two tabs on the bottom and two tabs on the top. Right now we're within the data section and within codecs. So we've added a bunch of screeners like Pix, DAX, Media Silo, Fine Cut, and we've just used their template to get the data rates for these. And we also have ProRes, DNxHR, DNxHD, etc. The idea is that the codec is on the left and then your bitrate and your resolution. So let's jump into the camera section and you'll notice that you can choose, we'll choose ARRI 65 and we'll choose the open gate option, and you can click into the time and I'll put in 03 for 3 hours, and you could go right down to the exact time code if you'd like, but it automatically populates the size. Now what's cool, because I often had to compare various sizes in other applications, and what I ended up doing was writing it down on a notepad, but I thought why not have a result section. So if I add this to the result and I want to say, okay, well what if we shoot 4.3K and we want to compare those? Okay, well that's the difference in that data. Okay, well what if we decide that we want to shoot on the Mini and we want to go ProRes XQ and we want to go 4K UHD on that? Let's compare that. So you can add it to the results section, and if we swipe on that, we can delete any of the individual results, we can copy them to our clipboard, or you can hit the send option. And what's cool about the send option is if I hit that, it automatically jumps me over into the calculator section, and it automatically populates the file size in gigabytes up top. And I'll type in that, let's say my internet is 150 megabits per second. Okay, it's going to take 38.63 hours to send all of this data at that internet speed. There's also a timecode calculator, plus or minus, and timecode to frames as well. So let's jump back into the data section for 1 second, as this is another cool thing. We'll go to the camera section and you can swipe across, and now if I type in my hours per day, I'll say that we're going to shoot 3 hours a day. Total shoot days, let's pretend that this is a feature and we got 60 days. It'll automatically tell me, okay, that's 526 terabytes. Well, what if we flip over to a TV show spec? So we've got 4 hours a day, 8 days an episode, 16 episodes. Okay, then it's going to be 1,496 terabytes. So it's kind of another cool way to calculate an entire season right off the bat.